Send some rain, would you send some rain? 'Cause the earth is dry and needs to drink again, and the sun is high and we are sinking in the shade. Would you send a cloud, thunder long and loud? Let the sky grow black and send some mercy down. Surely you can see we're thirsty and afraid. But maybe not today. Maybe you'll provide in other ways. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude for lessons learned in how to thirst for you, how to bless the very sun that warms our face if you never send us rain. Daily bread, give us daily bread. Bless our bodies, keep our children fed. Fill our cups, then fill them up again tonight. Wrap us up and warm us through, tucked away beneath our sturdy roofs. Let us slumber safe from danger's view this time. Or maybe not today. Maybe you'll provide in other ways. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude, a lesson learned to hunger after you, that a starry sky offers a better view if no roof is overhead. And if we never taste that bread, oh, the difference that often lies between all the things we really want and what we really need. So grant us peace, please grant us peace. Move our hearts to hear a single